Hey Trey, my name's Tal. I'm part of the internet sales team here at Hendrick Toyota. Wanted to thank you for working with us and wanted to give you a quick overview of the brand new 2016 Toyota Tacoma. This is your TRD off-road, and this is, excuse my language, but very badass truck. So let's check this out real quick. Alright, you've got your trim on the interior with the cloth. You can see the pattern they added to the vehicle there, but let's check out the interior real quick. Alright, here's your hands-free controls for your audio on that side. Then your multi-informational display on that side there. You've got all your ports there. You got your AC controls with dual zone climate control, your LCD screen with your backup camera, and Bluetooth as well as audio controls. It is a 6-speed manual. You have your parking sonars, blind spot monitor, technology package, and then you also asked about the moonroof. So there's your moonroof overhead. Sorry, there's a little bit of ice on it, but got your nice orange off-road trim on it as well. There's a double cab, so let's check that out real quick. You got all the room in the back as well. Same pattern there. And then you got your bed liner already in there. Sorry, there's a little bit of snow. It's a cold day here at Hendrick Toyota too. But you got your backup camera mounted right there. Your tow hitch is right under here. And then the tailgate is a slow release now. So they upgraded the Tacoma a lot. Just made it even better of a truck. But that's your quick overview of the Toyota Tacoma. We look forward to seeing you soon and hope you have a great day.